Rumi always keeps a small piece of Derpy with her. After all, he sure does make an impression. And there's always room for some glitter glue. Now we've got our own jelly tiger, and he's great! If a little gooey. Yeah, I wouldn't squeeze too hard. Yeah, if you love Derpy, let him go. He'll always find his way back. Meanwhile, I think there's some buried treasure in the sand. Wow! It's a K-pop Demon Hunter's mystery box! Ooh, I hope it's got soda pop. Let's see what's inside. A flexible road? Well, time to let the good times roll. Follow the only road. It's paved and wide and up to code. Ooh, we can't forget the loop-de-loop. And we gotta give gravity a helping hand. But what's the fun of a road without some wheels? Get your engine started. We've got a need for speed. And when you own the road, there's no speed limit. Especially when it's a racetrack. Let's see what's next. Wow, a big smile for someone so blue. Of course, I'd be happy to be a bubble wand octopus too. Soon, we'll have more bubbles than under the sea. Cats don't like water, but everyone loves water. Of course, we need to share this bubble power with the world. And if they pop, we can always make more. Wow, this astronaut's defying gravity. Pay no attention to that string on top, clearly for decoration. You seem thirsty. Why not try some cosmic water? Wow, the thing even looks cosmic. Possibly grape flavored. Either way, he's got a special treat for you in the back. Open him up and he'll be happy to give back. Cosmic water is the gift that keeps on giving. It looks like stardust. I wonder if it tastes like it too. Of course, I've never tried stardust before. Either way, Rumi here seems to like it. Why don't we drink it straight from the source? It's out of this world. What does the box have next? A milk cap? Who needs the rest of the cow when you've got udders? Unfortunately, you gotta provide your own milk. Make sure that cap is on nice and tight. Now you can drink milk 4 times as fast. Hey, leave some for Derpy, preferably in a saucer. Of course, he wouldn't mind the direct approach. Plus, it's great for all those teeth of his. Oh, silly kitty. But I wonder what else this works on. Mints and soda? Put that cap on ASAP. It'd be a waste of a perfectly good fountain. I like lobster claws, but usually as lunch. But I think I might even like them better as pens. A simple click, plus a pinch to grow an inch. And look, you can even write and draw with it. Plus, it's great for multitasking. Eat spicy chips, and your hands will stay powder-free. But let's see if this works on more than chips. The ultimate test. Rumi's favorite ramen. Wow, now that's what I call instant noodles. You can almost taste the seafood flavor. And look, it even doubles as a toothpick. In fact, you'd be surprised at all the things you could pick. I wonder what's next. A foot cleaner? For who? Thumbelina? Oh, I see. It helps exfoliate skin. Let's try it out. Ooh, Rumi, we need to rethink your boot situation. Well, might as well start with some soap. Now spread the suds. Make sure you really get in there. Every nook and cranny. Okay, we got rid of the gunk. Wipe it off. Ah, good as new. Let's hope they stay that way. Aw, looks like Rumi's got a secret admirer. Is it Genu? Speak of the devil, those poor flowers. But don't worry, there's more where those came from. Especially when we can make them ourselves. Just lay down all the layers and colors you want. With a slight pinch, it becomes three-dimensional. But this flower's getting a whole package, a stem. You can't stop at one. Let's make a whole bouquet. And the best part is, they don't need water. Wrap it up with paper and it's ready for Valentine's. Of course, we can still keep it in a vase. Wow, we've got a candy dispenser frame. Seems we need to add the candy ourselves. Just make sure it fits through the slot. No wonder we need to keep adding candy. Because I don't think it's going to stay there for long. Yeah, something tells me we should order in a new shipment. Also works with nuts or various other tiny foods. Something tells me some kitty wants you to spread the love. But let's fill it with Derpy's favorite kitty kibble. Now just turn the dial and let the love pour out. Of course, no Huntrix box is complete without pom-poms. They're always great to have on hand. Just look at how it puts a nice face on things. But why don't we use it to make some art? Unicorns are cool on their own, but it's just so fluffy! What else can we decorate with this? Looks like Rumi's embracing her markings. Nothing wrong with being a little fearless. But I think clowns are a little too scary for some. SpongeBob's here to see Patrick. Ooh, looks like he's out jellyfishing. Hold on, he must have forgot his hands. Is that his head? Oh, no, that's it over there. Keep looking until we find his pants next. Oh, don't worry. We can always rebuild him. Looks like this star will rise again.
You can tell this is SpongeBob's luggage. It's got his face on it. All his stuff's got his face on it. And yet, his luggage still goes missing. It's such a shame to lose good slime. And it's important stuff from Goo Lagoon, too. The best part is when we've got all the colors collected. You can use it to make a bright, shiny rainbow. Why don't we give it a nice massage? Uh-oh, the colors are blending! Add something on top. Is there anything that glitter can't fix? Mix it together, and what have you got? I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin. Until you open it up, and it's Sponge Block. Which means Patrick isn't too far behind. And look, we've even got Mr. Krabs. The gang's almost here. Oh boy, it's 3 a.m. You know what that means. It's time for a delicious Krabby Patty. Would you like Krabby fries with that? Open up, Patrick. SpongeBob made it with love. Nothing but the best for his best friend. And there's always room for dessert. Don't know why, but strawberry made him think of you. Something to wash it down. And for a little gas relief. I think he could use a wet wipe. Next, SpongeBob wants to play with a cardboard puzzle. Let's speed things up with a little karate! Next up, collect all of these pieces and stack them up together. It's just what we need to finish our special diorama. It's really nice, but it could use some colors. Yellow for SpongeBob. And pink for Patrick. Of course, we need to make sure to spread it around, too. Looks like a job for our trusty paintbrush. Make sure to clean it, or Patrick will end up orange. Don't forget a little white for the eyes. Plus some baby blues. Wow, it's almost like they're springing to life. Ooh, look at all of this colorful sand. About time Squidward made an appearance. He sure likes to make an impression, doesn't he? Now it's Mr. Krabs. Hope he doesn't charge us for this. Of course, we can't forget the star of the show. And we're not talking about Patrick. We mean SpongeBob. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten SpongeBob's best friend. Still, I think it's time we put our personal stamp on things. Actually, there's all sorts of things we can do with our friends. Though they might not keep in one place. Don't worry, we can always make more of them. Well, as long as we keep those cookie cutters. Okay, that was fun. But you know what's more fun? Why, it's bringing everybody together. In fact, we're gonna need a big mold for this next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved.
Aha!
Oh, look, Patrick sure could use a shave.
Wow!
Well, at least he looks better than he smells. Smells like Patrick's in need of a potty party. Just relax and let nature take its course. Wow, those Krabby Patties ran right through you. A clean finish. If only that could describe the rest of you. Here, lie back, relax, and we'll give you a wash. Water won't do much on its own. Well, a sponge has gotta do what a sponge has gotta do. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Seriously, repeat. And soon, our old Patrick is back. Yeah. Look, it's a mini SpongeBob. And he's ready, he's ready, he's ready. Ready to start spinning, complete with light show. SpongeBob is a real party animal. Just wait until he does the bunny hop. But now, it's time for him to hit the floor. Ah, Gary's always been so supportive of him. Zoe, Rumi, you're not supposed to run from real fights.
No, wait, that's Sailor Moon.
But still, you're Huntrix. Still, there's no shame in a little hide and seek. Especially when you're hiding from demons. And look, there's a way out on the other side. But I wonder where it leads to. Wherever this is, the decorators seem to be fans. Of course, who isn't? Oh, right, these guys. So why don't you do that voodoo you do so well? And send that Saja boy back to Guima. Your turn, Rumi. Besides, a little stretching always pays off. Really takes care of all those aches and pains. And it's just so much fun, too. Especially with a little elbow grease. For our next trick, we're gonna need some Kinetic sand. Place it in a mold so we can keep it all in a circle. Pat it down nice and smooth. And cut out a smaller circle. 'Cause now you'll get a ring, which you can fill with more sand. Keep it coming. We'll tell you when. When? Smooth it out. Make sure to leave room on the top. So we can cover it up with some more pink. Flatten it into place. It's like a mini cake. Which makes it the perfect topper for an even bigger cake. Happy birthday, Rumi! Why don't you make a wish?
Yay!
Spiders and worms? I don't think she wished for that.
Oops.
Still, we can't let a good cake go to waste. Don't worry, Rumi. Here's someone who could help. Who knew a big mouth could come in handy? What a good gator. Ooh, Zoe's got the tea. But do we have some tea for her? Poor Zoe, she's breaking out all over. Guess even pop stars get pimples sometimes. I know you're tough, but I wouldn't pop them. Here, this will help you avoid temptation. But we're sure you won't stop trying. Here, we'll help you kick the habit another way. We just need a tiny Zoe face and fill it up with zits. But maybe throw in a few surprises too. Just don't forget the main event, some pimples for popping. Ah, Rumi, you truly are the Wizard of Ooze. Ooh, looks like Zoe wants a turn. Okay, try and see if you can find that Laboo. It's time for Zoe to put the pop in Pop Idol. And it's a great stress reliever, too. Of course, Rumi has her demons, too. Like nail biting, skin peeling. But you'd think she'd be able to handle her inner demon by now. Zoe's here to help. Start by drawing something cute on a plate. And you don't get any cuter than Derpy. Especially with a big pink tongue hanging out. Next, cover it up with some sticky glue. Especially glitter glue. Yes, the glitter's important. Now make sure to spread it around the plate. Okay, Rumi, why not give it a pinch to grow an inch? And see just how far you can make it stretch. Of course, a true artist makes art spring to life. The Saja boys might not be the nicest company, but they can still be fun to have around. Wait, Derpy's not a demon. He's just got horns. Aw, I'll remember how animated he was. But he'll live on as precious, precious slime. And he's the perfect shade for Rumi's hair. It looks nice, but something tells me Rumi's got her sights elsewhere. Yeah, it's hard to compete with Ginu. But this gives me an idea for her eyes. Either that or corn on the cob. Just kidding. We're saving that for Zoe. Rumi is sure going to be red in the face. Don't worry. Told you we had a backup. And look, this corn already comes with oil. But you gotta provide your own butter. Try some popcorn. Always more where that came from. It looks like leaves, so I think it counts as a vegetable. But even gummies can hurt your teeth. Lucky for Zoe, Rumi's got a secret. She's also a dentist, among other things. Good news, it's not cavities. You've just got some candy stuck in there. Can't let good candy go to waste. Looks like you're due for a tongue scraping too. Now you might feel a little tingle. Seriously, this syrup is really sweet. While we're here, let's ditch that sore tooth. If you think that hurts, wait till you get the bill. Mini Roomie's sure got some moves, but let's take a peek at what makes her tick. Ooh, someone's got water beads on the brain. Guess she's Big Roomie's biggest and smallest fan. Some nanotape will help you share your thoughts with the world. And Zoe can help. We need a can for our fan. Use it to make a container and fill it with all those water beads. Seal it up nice and tight and save that tab for the top. Now give your new can a tight squeeze. Careful though, we don't want to smudge that face. Hey girls, still need something to do?
Yay!
We got a cool new fidget board for you. You can comb Mira's hair. Where is she anyway? Oh, she was hiding behind her bangs the whole time. And there's always room for accessories. Why don't you play with Derpy next? He's always a good time. The one time it's okay to stick your tongue out. You can knock this down. Just put it back up. Of course, nothing's more fun than ramen. Besides, there's always room when it comes in fun size. Just add veggies and spicy seasoning. Of course, hot water really gets things cooking. Sure, this might be Roomie's favorite flavor, but aren't friends supposed to share everything? So why not play with what Zoe likes the most? Or something you all like, fresh gimbap. Start by opening up our wooden roller. Now lay down dried seaweed, rice, and your favorite fillings. Next, it's time to let the good times roll. And things don't get better than gimbap.
Wow!
This stuff is good to the last gulp.
Wow!
There's no use crying over spilled blue stuff.
What?
But I'd understand crying over a ruined manicure. We can fix this. Red-handed's more traditional. And we can use it to make some fun handprints.
What?
Turn it over and you can make something new. Like a pair of two best friends who are probably waiting for their third friend. Don't forget to add some other colors. Or wait for monochrome to go back in style. Ah, friends don't need an excuse to give each other gifts. Hey everybody, it's time for a Laboo surprise party. Just dunk your half in the water and see what you've got. Ooh,
Meh.
maybe you'll have better luck. Wow, you got some little Laboo balls. Give it a good squeeze and you'll get to the slime inside. Why don't we see what they're made of? Hold on, there's a special message inside. Wow, an ASMR challenge. First, we'll need some glue. Plus a few other things, like spiders and glitter. We got the recipe from Wednesday and Enid. Our arachnid slime looks like it's done. it's time to pour it out of the bowl. Make sure you get every last drop.
Meh.
Now knead it like you're baking bread. I imagine big things for this slime, and I mean big. It looks like fun, but what can we do? Great idea! A unicorn! Fill it up with candy. Now let's put those chompers to work. We know you've got more slime than that in you. Wow! A rainbow! Here, grab a tissue. And thanks. Now, let's form a rainbow and give it a nice waffle pattern. Next, it's time for a little liftoff. Twist it up like a double helix. Now take this rainbow slime and smush it together. Just not too much, or you'll just get brown. Time to pick a winner. It's rainbow slime! Congratulations! You've got a new friend, a tiny butterfly unicorn. Aw, he's covered in a bunch of fuzzy fur. Oh, there's so much! Why not share the fluff? Besides, a quick shave never hurt. Just ask all those sheep. Now we can see your true colors, and they look great. As for your fuzz, we've got just the place to put it. This adorable Laboo-shaped case. Next, let's put a nice face on things. Aw, we've made you a new friend. She's also got some friends to help her.
Hey.
And they come from Spunky Land. Just lie back. Always good to spread yourself out. But why don't we help roll things along? Take these balls and squeeze them together. Our Spunky friends have never been closer. But now it's time for a little Laboo crossover. I've grown accustomed to your face. But wait till you see the whole package. Of course, Laboobos are meant to be fuzzy. So why don't we add some texture? Aw, a ball and chain never looked better. Okay, it's time to choose a winner. And Fuzzy Wuzzy wins! Someone's in the lead. Next up, choose either paper or soap. Seems simple. You can always draw up a solution. And by solution, I mean Laboo. Laboo's always the answer. But next, we'll need a special secret ingredient. Some tears! We're all out of onions, so we'll have to make do. Okay, Rapunzel, share those magic tears with the world. Ooh, extra salty, and they really are magic. Just look at what this stuff can do. After all, this isn't paper, they're sponges. Wow, these little elves are really springing to life. Yeah, we get it. Can someone open a window?
Nah.
Well, at least your soap smells nice. And it's so much fun scraping it up. That was fun, but now the heavy artillery, the cheese grater. Are we turning it into powder next? No, we've got something special in mind. Fill up this Laboo mold and add glitter. Because Laboobos were meant to shine. We could try to melt them into place, but it's just so much fun to crumble it up. In fact, it's so much fun, we'll do it 4 times. And your hands have never smelt better. Think that's fun? Huh, wait till you add water. So who won this round? The champion keeps her title. Birthday cake. Wait, did you wash your hands? Well, when she's away, the gator will play. Sorry, it's all gone. But you at least get a wish. Wait, inspiration strikes! Place this candle over water. Now pour some melted wax over it in different colors. We're almost done. Just gotta add some purple. Wow, it's like a piece of rainbow coral. Why don't we give it some time to dry? Then get it ready so we can make another wish. Or was a rainbow candle your wish after all?
Hey.
Your turn. You sure could use a win.
Ew.
Or at the very least, a mint. And it comes in gum form? Oh, talk about being cool. She's practically the Snow Queen.
Yeah.
Soon, making ice sculptures will be a breeze. And think of what we'll save on air conditioning. Oh, so cool.
Wow. Nah.
Do you think she'll win this round? Talk about a dark horse victory. Emphasis on dark. Well, let's go back to our arts and crafts. Looks like we're mixing mediums with this. Now what can we put on top of the glue? Guess it's time for some graded rainbows. Say when. Give it time to stick. Now let's see what you've got. This Laboo's over the rainbow. Next, it's your turn. A chewed up tissue? Well, guess it's quantity over quality here. You gotta reach right inside yourself.
Ew.
See? At least it's got color.
Uh-huh.
And soon, so will your Laboo. This might take a while, so let's speed it up. It's popping off the page, but will it win? Yes, it did! You're really catching up. Okay, it's anyone's game. We're gonna need some plastic wrap.
Uh-huh.
Mix some soap, lotion, and some starch. What else can we add? Oh yeah, right, glitter. All it needs now is some elbow grease. Ooh, slime. Let's add it to our plastic wrap. Next, draw a cute little Laboo face on top. And don't forget those famous Laboo teeth. Aw, who wouldn't want to pinch that face? Remember, you're not the only one with plastic wrap. This time, we'll blow it up like a balloon. You know, it kind of looks like a jellyfish. Make a cluster and you've got a brand new Laboo. But I guess the face is not included, so draw one on. They're a little transparent, but so much fun to pop. Still, not much to show for the competition. But you still won! Looks like we're all winners today.